Okay. Okay.
Oh.
See if we can find an E. We'll put them all out here. I don't see an E. Do you see an E? Do you see an E? Oh, you found an E? Good job, Jameson. What comes next?
Oh, you want apple juice?
So much fun.
You want apple juice instead? Okay. Okay, you want apple juice? Okay, you want Mommy to get you some? Jameson, you want some apple juice? Okay.